Today is a very special day for me. I'm meeting some very eminent members of the Sindhi Sangat, and they are here in my office, and it's a great pleasure meeting them. Sindhi is one of the languages which is listed in our constitution, and as a public service broadcaster, we have a great responsibility to find a space in our programs, in our television stations and radio stations for all languages in the country, and that is what we are trying to do in respect of Sindhi. And we hope we will be able to soon launch a window for Sindhi language programs in one of our regional channels and then take it forward. And so Mr. Mahesh Jethmalani is here, and other senior members of the Sindhi Sangat. So very best wishes to Sindhi Sangat, and I hope the Sindhi Sangat and Prasar Bharati will work hand in hand to take this forward and to popularize Sindhi programs all over the world.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very well
Thank
said.
you.